Hello. After reading the prompt, I came up with an answer from my current role as a clinical informaticist. A specific example in healthcare information systems is actually implementing a fix to the EHR system, well, the application. So for a specific example, let's say during clinic, the MA is trying to enter vital signs into the patient's chart throughout the EHR system. And in doing so, the vital signs are not recording to the patient's chart at all. The incident will be recorded by the MA calling into the Solution Center and reporting it. After that, we realize that while it's being recorded to the Solution Center, is analyzed to see what priority it is, how urgent, and what type of risk this can take for affecting patient care. So incident like this would possibly be a P1 because it's affecting patient care and affecting the workflow in current clinics. So that would take precedence over other incidents and everyone would try to get this fixed ASAP. So let's say the analyst fixes this incident. Boom, it's already done, right? So what happens from here is that the build is packaged into a file, and the file has to be data couriered into the different environments. And there's a process for that. So while it's getting couriered into the different environments from a build environment, what we call a change order, we create a change request. And within the change request, it has change controls and tasks that needs to be done. And some of the tasks that's included in that is a peer review of the change request, testing in the test environment, and approval from your team lead before it's actually implemented into the prod environment. Depending on what type of change and what type of risk it has, it goes through another approval process. And the approval process is that this specific change is analyzed in a collaboration meeting. In the collaboration meeting, it includes enterprise IS&T analysts. We take our moment to look over the change requests and continue to go from there. So everyone gives in their 2 cents. If this is a yay or a nay, does it affect their department? And we go through the safety and awareness of it. So before it even gets there, the manager of that team has to approve that change as well. After it's been analyzed, it goes through the data courier process again, and it goes through the test environment. From the test environment, you're testing it out, seeing if there's any glitches before actually implementing it live into the system. So while that process is taking over, the system itself is analyzing the file, the package. And throughout that, if there's an error, it alerts the analyst. So that's another set of eyes that's taking a look at the possible change before actually being implemented. Because anything that goes through to the production environment, the live environment, will take real life, it's real life change and could potentially affect the patients that's going through that. And with that, that should answer tonight's prompt. Thank you.